Imagine waking up one morning to discover that everything you believed about reality was merely a projection. A complex web of mental patterns woven by your own subconscious mind. This isn't science fiction. According to the revolutionary teacher Joseph Murphy, this is exactly what's happening to most of us right now. You see, Murphy uncovered something profound during his decades of research into the human mind. He discovered what he called the death matrix, not a physical prison, but something far more subtle and pervasive. It's the invisible cage of limitations, fears, and beliefs that your subconscious mind has been programmed to accept as truth. Think about it for a moment. Why do some people seem to effortlessly attract success, while others remain trapped in cycles of struggle? Why do certain individuals bounce back from setbacks with remarkable resilience, while others get knocked down by the smallest obstacles? The answer, according to Murphy, lies not in their external circumstances but in the mysterious realm of their subconscious mind. Whatever you write on the inside, Murphy taught, you will experience on the outside. These weren't just empty words. He demonstrated time and again how people could transform their lives by understanding and applying the hidden laws of their subconscious mind. But here's what makes this knowledge both fascinating and terrifying. Your subconscious mind is working right now, in this very moment, either supporting or sabotaging your desires based on the programs it's running. It's like a sophisticated computer that never sleeps, never takes a break, and operates with flawless precision to create the reality you experience. The most shocking part? Most people never realize they're trapped in this matrix of their own making. They blame circumstances, other people, or bad luck for their problems, never understanding that they hold the master key to their own liberation. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on what Murphy called the greatest power in the universe, your subconscious mind. We'll explore how this invisible force shapes every aspect of your life, from your health and relationships to your financial situation and spiritual growth. What you're about to learn isn't just another self-help technique or positive thinking strategy. It's a fundamental truth about the nature of reality itself, backed by both ancient wisdom and modern scientific understanding. Murphy spent years studying with spiritual teachers in India and the West, synthesizing their knowledge with his own discoveries about the mind's incredible potential. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Murphy boldly claimed that the only thing you have to change is your thought pattern to transform your entire life. More importantly, you'll learn exactly how to make this change using his proven methods. Are you ready to discover how deep the rabbit hole goes? Are you prepared to question everything you thought you knew about reality and your place in it? Because once you understand the truth about your subconscious mind, there's no going back to the old way of thinking. This is your wake-up call. This is where your journey of liberation begins. Today, we'll explore one of the most profound teachings ever shared about human consciousness, Joseph Murphy's revelation about the relationship between our subconscious mind and what he termed the death matrix. This isn't just another video about positive thinking or manifestation. It's a deep exploration into how your mind creates your reality, and more importantly, how you can break free from self-imposed limitations. Murphy spent decades studying both Western science and Eastern spirituality, eventually discovering what he called the master key to life transformation. His groundbreaking work, particularly in The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, revealed how our deeper consciousness shapes everything from our health to our destiny. What makes Murphy's teachings particularly relevant today is their practical application in breaking free from societal conditioning and limiting beliefs. He understood that most people live their entire lives trapped in a mental prison, never realizing they hold the key to their own freedom. But before we continue, let me be clear. This isn't about magical thinking or unrealistic promises. Murphy's approach was grounded in both spiritual wisdom and practical application. He demonstrated repeatedly that when people understand and apply these principles correctly, transformation isn't just possible, it's inevitable. Throughout this video, we'll explore specific techniques Murphy developed for reprogramming your subconscious mind. You'll learn how to identify the hidden patterns keeping you trapped in the death matrix, and more importantly, how to break free from them using your own inner power. What we're about to discuss goes beyond simple meditation or visualization. This is about fundamentally changing your relationship with reality itself. Murphy discovered that our subconscious mind operates like a powerful computer, constantly creating our experience based on its programming. The fundamental challenge, as Murphy identified it, is that most people are completely unaware of how their subconscious mind controls their reality. They're trapped in what he called the death matrix, a state of unconscious living where their thoughts, beliefs, and actions are largely automated responses based on past programming. Think about your own life for a moment. How many times have you set goals or made resolutions, only to find yourself falling back into old patterns? This isn't because you lack willpower or determination. According to Murphy, it's because your conscious desires are in conflict with your subconscious programming. The death matrix manifests in countless ways. Chronic health issues that don't respond to treatment, financial struggles that persist despite hard work, relationships that follow the same painful patterns, or a general sense of being stuck in life. Murphy observed that these weren't random occurrences but direct manifestations of subconscious beliefs. The real problem isn't the external circumstances themselves. It's that we've been programmed from childhood with limiting beliefs, fear-based thinking, and negative self-images. These programs run silently in our subconscious mind, creating what Murphy called mental patterns of failure. Even more challenging is that many of these limiting beliefs masquerade as protection mechanisms. Your subconscious mind might be holding onto patterns of scarcity, unworthiness, or fear because it believes these patterns keep you safe. This is why simple positive thinking often fails to create lasting change. Murphy's genius lay in understanding how the subconscious mind actually operates. He discovered that it responds not to willpower or conscious effort, but to imagery, feeling, and repeated suggestion. This is why his techniques work when others fail. The subconscious mind, as Murphy explained, operates according to certain universal laws. First, it accepts whatever is repeatedly impressed upon it as true. Second, it works continuously to bring about conditions that match its dominant beliefs. Third, it communicates through feelings, intuitions, and mental images rather than logical thought. This understanding aligns perfectly with modern neuroscience's discoveries about neuroplasticity and habit formation. When we repeatedly impress certain thoughts and images on our subconscious mind, we literally rewire our neural pathways. Murphy found that the subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between real and imagined experiences. This is crucial because it means we can use visualization and controlled imagination to create new neural pathways and belief patterns. When we understand this principle, we can begin to consciously reprogram our mental matrix. The power of this approach lies in its ability to bypass the critical faculty of the conscious mind. Instead of fighting against established patterns, we work with the natural laws of mind to create lasting change. Let's explore the specific techniques Murphy developed for reprogramming the subconscious mind and breaking free from the death matrix. These methods aren't complicated, but they require consistent practice and understanding. The first technique Murphy emphasized was what he called conscious direction of the subconscious. Before sleep and upon awakening, when the conscious mind is most relaxed, speak to your subconscious as if it were a trusted friend. Use positive, present-tense statements that reflect your desired reality. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," Murphy taught to declare, "Infinite intelligence guides me in all my ways. Perfect health, wealth, love, and perfect expression are mine now." He stressed the importance of feeling the truth of these statements as you speak them. The second key technique involves what Murphy called mental movie making. Before sleep, create a vivid mental scene that represents your desired outcome. Feel the joy, gratitude, and satisfaction of already having achieved your goal. Your subconscious mind will accept this imagery as instruction for manifestation. Murphy also taught the power of reversed mental patterns. When negative thoughts arise, immediately replace them with their positive opposite. If you think, "I can't afford this," consciously shift to "infinite intelligence supplies all my needs abundantly." Murphy documented countless cases of transformation through these techniques. One notable example was a businessman who reversed his financial decline by practicing subconscious mind programming for just 15 minutes each morning and evening. The benefits of applying these principles extend far beyond material success. People report profound spiritual awakening, improved relationships, enhanced creativity, and deeper inner peace. Murphy emphasized that these weren't miraculous occurrences but natural results of aligning with universal law. Physical healing was another area where Murphy observed remarkable results. He recorded cases of chronic conditions improving or disappearing when people systematically replaced negative thought patterns with positive ones. The subconscious mind, he explained, controls all bodily functions and can initiate healing when properly directed. Perhaps the most significant benefit is freedom from the death matrix itself, the liberation from unconscious patterns that limit human potential. People who master these techniques report a profound shift in their perception of reality. They no longer feel controlled by circumstances but recognize themselves as conscious creators of their experience. Some might question whether simply changing thoughts can really transform reality. Murphy addressed this by explaining that thoughts are causes, not effects. Every material condition begins as a thought pattern in the subconscious mind. Others might worry these techniques are too simple to be effective. Murphy pointed out that simplicity is often a hallmark of profound truth. The key isn't complexity but consistency and faith in the process. A common misconception is that this approach requires denying reality or ignoring problems. Murphy emphasized that acknowledgement of current conditions is necessary, but we shouldn't give them power over our internal state. Starting today, commit to practicing these techniques for at least 30 days. Begin with the simple exercise of speaking to your subconscious mind before sleep. Notice how your perception starts to shift as you consistently apply these principles. Share your experiences in the comments below. Your journey might inspire others who are ready to break free from their own limiting patterns. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into consciousness and transformation. Remember Murphy's words. The only path by which another person can upset you is through your own thought. Take control of your thoughts and you take control of your destiny.